You are watching iShowMade Simple. If you are new here, consider subscribing. In today's video, you will learn how to close tab on Android. Let's get started to it. First thing you're going to do is to open your Chrome browser. After you open your Chrome browser, the next thing to do is to open the Chrome Time View, which is this, which I'm going to tap on now. So the next thing is to close in the video tab. If you want to close in the video tab, all you have to do is just tap on this. But if you want to close all the tabs all at once, all you have to do is to tap on this three line here, then tap on the close all tabs, then you tap on close all tabs and groups. And that is it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful on how to close tabs on Android. Do not forget to like and subscribe to iShowMade Simple for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one.